children, and how are you all today? Okay children, so we are going to start with our day. So today is 12 August 2020. 12 August 2020. And today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. We are going to move to day 8 of month book 1. So in this book, the book you already have, we are going to move on to day 8 of month book 1. But before we start, why not we just do a revision of numbers? So I'm just going to write it on the board and we are all going to say it along. So as I told you, to put it below T-O. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes 0 and 1 will be below the tens. Now moving ahead, we are going to do we are going to now start the number after 10. So it is 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and here is 2, 0, 20. Now these numbers are to be written in tens and ones as it shows that place value. After 20, moving ahead, we are going to start with after 20, the number that comes next is 2, 1, 21. So children, this is the oral part, but I want you to recognize the numbers as well. Whenever you say the numbers, you try to recognize the numbers as well. So after 20 comes 21, so it is 2, 1, 21. 2 is below the tens value because it's 20. We are starting 21, so it is in the series of 2, so it is in the tens value, and 1 is in the ones value. 2, 1, 21 come after that is 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29. Okay, after 9 is always a 0 and after 2 comes 3. So it is 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. Children, always do the oral practice of numbers. Always say it along with your mom. Okay children, now moving on to the next, in this page, moving on to the day 8 when we are starting it. Here are food we eat and drink in summer season. These are the food we eat and drink in the summer season. As if in vegetables we like to eat cucumber. Why do we eat cucumber? Because cucumber consists a lot of water in it. So we eat cucumber. This is a lemonade. Lemonade is a type of juice or we call it a lemon juice. या जैसे हम उसे नींबू पानी बोलते हैं. Then ice creams. Obviously children, we all love ice cream, and in hot season especially we love to eat ice cream. We get that cool feeling, right? This is a muskmelon. Now we even eat melons. What are the melons? There are two types of the melons shown here. The one is the muskmelon, the other is the watermelon. Why we eat the melon? Because in melon also consists a lot of water. उसमें भी बहुत सारा पानी होता है. तो वो हमें खाना चाहिए. क्यों खाना चाहिए? Why do we eat? So that we do not dehydrate. हमारे बॉडी में water intake हो जाता है. Then obviously the king of the fruit, mango. We all love to eat mango, right? Yes, because it is very tasty and yummy. Okay children, now moving on to the next page. When we move to the next page, we are going to do हिंदी अक्षर अ लिखना है. So here in this box you have to write the letter अ जो हमने लास्ट क्लास में सीखा है. And below is the picture of a pomegranate जिसे हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं अनार. अ से अनार. So you have to color the pomegranate red and the leaves given here green. So children, color it very nice. here it is a plain box, there are no lines, so just make a shape of a 3 और 3 को थोड़ा ऊपर ऐसे लेके जाना है, स्लिपिंग लाइन बनानी है स्टैंडिंग लाइन के साथ और ऊपर एक छोटा सा स्लिपिंग लाइन देना है। तो दिस इज द लेटर और हम यहाँ पे लिखने वाले हैं एंड दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ पोमोग्रेनेट जो अ से अनार कहा जाता है। तो अ से अनार वाले पिक्चर को हमें कलर करना है और ये पेज आपने घर पे करना है, पेक्स क्रेयंस यूज करना है, डेट और आपका नाम लिखना नहीं भूलना है। ओके चिल्ड्रन, so I hope you have finished up coloring and now when we are moving to the next page of day 8, now here we are going to learn to write the mummy letter B and the baby letter B. So here in the page you can see the pictures of B for box, B for bus, B for bee. Now I have also drawn few more pictures starting with the letter B, as if B for bell, B for butterfly, B for bottle, B for bag, B for bat, B for ball. So in the same way children, you can still go and move on and learn more of the words starting with the letter B. Okay children, now before we start writing or before I teach you the formation of B, I am going to tell you the phonic sound of B. B sounds B. For that what you have to do, you just put your hands like this and as if you are playing cricket, you have to move your hand, and if you are playing having the bat in your hand, you have to just move your hand. So it is B. B. You are hitting the ball. B. Okay children, so now you are aware about the phonic sound of B. B का sound है B. Now I am going to teach you the formation of the letter B. Now first we are starting with the capital letter or the mummy letter B. It is very easy my children. You have to start with the red line. First red line, you have to make a standing line, come down till the blue line. That is the second blue line. You have to make only a standing line, nothing else. You have to make a straight standing line. Now along with this you have to make first curve that will finish up to the first blue line and the second curve, or we can even say that when we are writing B we make 1 and then we join 3 along with it. This is also B. One more time I am going to show you. Start from the red line, come till the second blue line. First curve should finish up on the first blue line and the second curve on the second blue line. This you have already learned my children. Now we are going to do the small letter or the baby letter. Now it is also very easy. What you have to do, as you have made the capital B, we are going to make the small b. What you have to do, start from the red line, come till the second blue line, make a standing line. Now in the small b, you have to just make a half circle in between the two blue lines that is joining the standing line. Or even I can say that I have just rubbed the upper part of the capital B. This will also become the small b. Standing line and a small curve joining it. One more time, standing line. And when you make this curve, it should be between two blue lines my children. It should not go beyond the blue line, above or below. It should be exactly between the two blue lines. So this is the formation of the capital letter B or a mummy letter B, and this is the baby letter or the small letter. Now children, in this book you have to do and complete the page that is the B. You have to finish up writing this page. But my children, don't forget that first you need to trace the letters and then only below that you have to write it. So once we are finished up with this, I think you have got the idea how to write, and I hope you are all going to write because you are all very good children. Now moving on to the next page. Here what we have to do, we have to take the clothes used in summer season. हमें उन्हीं कपड़ों को टिक करना है जो हम समर सीजन में पहनते हैं। एज इफ दिस इज द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ टी शर्ट। नाउ हम फुल स्लीव टी शर्ट नहीं पहनना पसंद करते इन द समर सीजन, बिकॉज हमने अगर ऐसे फुल स्लीव्स कपड़े पहने तो हमें बहुत ज्यादा गर्म लगेगा, तो वी डोंट वेयर इट। सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट अ टिक ओवर हियर। इन द सेकंड पिक्चर that is again a top, again it is a full sleeve, so we are not going to put a tick over there, क्योंकि हम गर्मियों की सीजन में कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, we try to wear those clothes that are little loose, that are sleeveless, so that we don't feel heat. Now in the third picture we can see the shirt. Here we put, yes, we will tick this because it is a half sleeved shirt, तो हम उसे टिक कर रहे हैं। We are putting a tick below the picture in the box. Now moving on to the next is the gloves. Do we wear gloves in the summer season? No. Then is the picture of a coat. I don't think we wear coat also, because that all makes us feel very, very hot. Moving to the next picture is a picture of a cap. Yes, we do wear cap when we move outside in the sun to protect ourselves from the scorching heat. So I am going to put a tick below the picture in the box. Now moving on to the next picture is a sleeveless top. Now yes, we will put a tick here as well, because we like to wear sleeveless things so that it makes us feel comfortable. Now in the next picture is a picture of a shorts. Normally boys and girls all do like to wear the shorts, and again it makes us feel comfortable. Now next is the picture of a scarf. Do you really like to put the scarf? Yes, we do wear a scarf also, because we put it around our head to cover our face and our mouth, so that whenever we go on the vehicle, to just protect ourselves from the sun. Okay children, I hope you will finish up with this page. Okay, in today's session we have learned the mummy letter and the baby letter B. We have doing drawing. I hope you have enjoyed. Bye bye and see you.